Today we're making beef soft tacos. So I got some flour tortillas here. And I got some taco seasoning to go in the ground beef, which makes it taste a lot better, gives it more flavor. And I got some traditional refried beans here. That's totally optional. And I'm cooking ground beef right now in the pan. Cooking the ground beef in the pan right now. Heating up the refried beans. Now we're draining the ground beef. So I put the taco seasoning mix in here, and I'm about to put 2/3 of water and then cook the beef so all the mix gets in the beef. And this makes it really tasty, so I highly recommend it. I know the taco seasoning is vary in price, but I actually just used the generic at Walmart. I think it was like 60 cents. You can also chop up a small onion and put in this as well, but my family's pretty hungry, so I'm not going to do that today. Plus I added some refried beans, so I think we're good for now. That taco seasoning is really making it smell good. It's almost ready. Put some refried beans on it. Put some ground beef on it. Put some salsa on it. Put some lettuce on it. And I put some cheese on it. I do have some sour cream, but I don't want none today. So now I'm going to put this in the microwave and heat it up about 20-25 seconds. Soft taco is done, so now I'm going to wrap it and I'm going to eat it. And there you have it. It's wrapped. And you can see the stuff oozing out of it. Just wanted to say thank you for watching our video. Please like our videos and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.